Have you ever wondered what exactly a buffing machine does, and if this is something you might need? These power tools are simple to use, and will allow you to keep your car in a mint condition. Or if the paintwork on your car is faded and dull, they can help restore its shiny appearance. There are many products available to choose car buffers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car buffers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dual Buffer Polisher. This powerful buffer and polisher from Dual is our premium choice, ideal for home and regular commercial use. It may be more expensive than the other choices on our list, but it has almost all the features you could want from a polisher. With a sturdy ball bearing construction, variable speeds, and a soft start function, it is well worth the additional cost. A powerful motor delivers up to 600 rotations per minute, with a conveniently located variable speed trigger that allows you to maintain in full control at all times. The polisher also has a built-in electronic module that will automatically adjust its speed according to the amount of pressure you apply, resulting in an even-looking, smoother finish. This makes it perfect for professionals and beginners alike, as it mitigates the risk of damaging your car's clear coat. Number 2. Porter Cable Variable Speed Polisher. Porter Cable is a reputable name when it comes to various power tools with a rich history that dates back to the early 1900s. Being a renowned maker of power tools, Porter Cable also manufactures some really capable, yet affordable car buffing machines. Speaking of professional use, it is necessary to mention that working with any high-speed rotating machine can be demanding. To help with that, the company has fitted this polisher with a proprietary counterbalancer, which absorbs all unwanted vibrations. Additional features include the use of lightweight yet sturdy materials and a removable handle. Furthermore, the vibration damping may not be less effective at higher speeds, which can cause discomfort in the long run. Nevertheless, Porter Cable's corded buffer has all that a good buffer should have, as the pros outweigh the cons by some margin. Number 3. Black + Decker 6-inch Random Orbit Polisher. Black & Decker has a global footprint in power tools, and it is difficult to name a product this company doesn't manufacture. Known for providing quality products at highly competitive prices, their Random Orbit Polisher is probably one of the most affordable on the market. Unlike popular belief, a low price tag doesn't necessarily translate into bad quality, which is exactly the case for this value-packed device. Furthermore, its 10 feet long cord will make maneuvering around even the largest hooks easy without staying close to the socket. Despite the compact dimensions, this buffing machine still has 2 handles, just like many traditional devices of this sort. Not only does this feature help reduce fatigue, but it also ensures a comfortable position while detailing the car. Remaining true to its tradition of providing the best value, this Black & Decker machine comes with a range of extra goodies. This includes polishing bonnets, a foam applicator, and a large waxer. Number 4. Chemical Guys Random Polisher Kit. Torque may not be the most familiar name among power tools, but it is well known in the car care world. Many detailers are well aware that this is a highly regarded manufacturer of professional buffing machines. This company offers 4 different products of this sort, with each aiming to meet the needs of different kinds of customers. The one on this list is more suited for average users, although professionals can use it for less demanding jobs. This particular model is excellent for professional use, and comes together with a range of Chemical Guys car care products. With a 680 watts motor, this machine will buff out even the harshest waxes, which is not something every polisher can do. Ergonomics are the key concerns for professional users, which is why Torque has designed this buffer to be light and compact. The buffing machine can operate in a wide RPM power range, which comes in handy when working with different types of compounds. Number 5. Makita 7-inch Polisher. The Makita's has a fantastic control that allows a slow start for less fling of car waxes and paste. It brings a polishing pad, a foam pad, and a bag included. An all-in-one buffer to ensure that your car's paint job looks spectacular. Also, the variable speed dial function allows mechanics to go hand in hand with the speed application. We have selected the Makita's car buffer, our top-rated item, for its performance, durability, innovation, and convenience. It was ergonomically designed to provide flexibility and to prevent wool ingestion shields. Also, the soft start speed setting is ideal for any car care professional center, especially if you are looking for 7-inch car buffer. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.